Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're doing some more work on the Rabbit.
We are indeed.
Hi guys, I just thought I'd interject in the video right now because basically when we were recording this episode, for some reason the camera malfunctioned in this exact clip that we were filming, and we had no idea until I got home and started reviewing the footage. So apologies for interjecting in the video, but basically what I was saying is we are currently working on the truck. We are removing the remote mirrors on the 1980 Rabbit pickup truck. We're removing those, and we've got some big mirrors to be installed on the truck. We don't know how it's going to look. We don't know how I'm going to feel about them, but we're going to put them on the truck because I want to increase visibility. So yeah, enjoy the episode.
In this video, we will be doing a little bit of modification because obviously these mirrors weren't really designed for this truck. So we will be doing a little bit of customization to make things work. Now, the original mirrors, much like all Mark 1s, will come with 2 screws that you need to undo. And obviously on the inside, we're going to need to take that out. Let's crack on. So we take that off, poke that little toggle through. We don't need to go through the hassle of taking the door cards off. Undo these 2 screws.
We're going to use one of the original holes.
So we're using that hole there, and then going to drill another one there.
Yeah. Anybody with a keen eye will see that sticker there that says 1979.
Now the reason why I've got that is because this is a 79 built truck, and but obviously it's classed as a 1980 truck because it was probably sold in 1980 but built in December 79, which is classed as the next year, isn't it, if that's the case?
If we don't shorten it, the mirror will go on there and it'll go like that.
Yeah.
So this has got to be shortened.
Yeah, so we're modifying that.
We'll cut it there and then we'll squash it up and re-drill it, like, and then that bolt up there, like, and then it'll look like that. Bolt that up there now. We'll bolt the bottom up. You know,
putting a self-tapping screw here, putting a bolt in there.
Yeah.
Drilling 2 holes in the top there.
Yeah.
And Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt.
Sorry to butt in again. The other thing I was going to mention is that one of the mirrors is actually cracked, and there's a reason why. So basically I ordered one of these mirrors to be delivered. It arrived, I opened the box, big old crack. They actually sent me a refund and they sent me a replacement. So that's why one mirror is clean and one mirror is cracked.
Now it's time to go over the other side.
What do you think? Like, honest opinion, like, would you have them on any of your vehicles? I know the answer already. No.
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah.
What vehicle would you put these on?
American truck.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sure there's going to be loads of people with opinions, like keyboard warriors, like, what have you done? You've disrespected the truck.
It's not though, because they're take-off, aren't they? They're not like you've welded brackets on and...
Yeah, there's no welding.
I know the only thing we've done, we've put a few holes in it, but...
I feel like I keep needing, because there's going to be people watching like one single video of ours. They're not going to know our backstory. They're not going to know our preferences. Like, if they've just seen this one video, they're not going to know that the main thing for me is, like I keep saying, functionality. I want to be able to see. I don't want these tiny little mirrors that if you go 70 miles an hour, they fold in on themselves.
Why not?
Because
streamline.
They're bigger than the Mark 1 elephant mirrors, but as we know, they're very difficult to get hold of and expensive. The elephant mirrors are like 100 plus, 160 plus for a good mint pair, which is
not your cup of tea then.
Far too
not
expensive.
For the money. I meant
if I had a pair of Mark 1 elephant mirrors just on a plate, someone gave them to me, I'd rock those instead of these. For the moment. But again, going back to what I was saying, if people are watching this video for the first time and they don't know me, they don't know you, they're not going to know that I'm all about being different. Hence these monstrosities that we've put on.
Yeah, but someone's already got.
Someone, Jamie.
And I know someone who's got one on a T4.
Yes, we know someone who's got these on a T4. Jamie, who's also got a UK Caddy, has got these as well, which we saw at VW Action, and I was like, that's cool. He's doing something that's different. Not everybody's doing it.
Do you know what these would look really good?
A Ford Ranger?
No, when you got the topper on the back.
Ooh, like a...
When you got the gem top, sorry.
Put a gem top on the back.
And the mirrors, I don't think it'll look.
It won't look as weird.
I don't think. But the thing is, they must probably look a little bit weird for... they're not natural. But if you change the colour of them, and they weren't in your face.
Well, the thing is, this was a big selling point for me, is the fact that they are chrome, and I like all the things chromey on this.
Well, I don't know if it's chrome. It's something Chinese.
It looks chrome. It doesn't look black, does it? It looks chrome. It's polished or whatever you want to call it. But
nickel, I think you call it.
Yeah?
Yeah, they call it nickel.
Well, maybe we've got some keyboard warriors watching the video. If so, comment below your hatred for these mirrors, or if you think, if you are for these, if you rate them, then let us know as well. What do you think? Would you have these on your truck? They are pretty big, aren't they? The main thing is that now, guys, I can actually see behind me, which makes things so much easier.
Yeah, because you can go a little bit faster now, so you can look behind you.
I can look behind me. It makes parking easier. It makes...
Yeah, I must admit, when you reversed it in the workshop.
All right, let's...
No, I'm just saying. Oh, I've been polite.
Oh, what, just now?
Yeah.
With these on? Yeah, it's so much easier.
I'm saying.
Hi, sorry, me again. I just wanted to say, since filming the video and being back home, I have actually had a chance to order yet again another mirror. It was actually cheaper to order the whole mirror, another mirror. It's cheaper to order a whole mirror than it is to just replace the glass. So I went ahead and bought another mirror. I've just swapped it out myself, so now I've got 2 uncracked mirrors. I still don't know how I feel about them. They are an eyesore. They are massive. I'm thinking of swapping them out for this style here. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Should I stick with these for the moment? Or should I immediately get a pair of these and swap them out? I don't know. I like the classic look, you know? But at the same time, I want things to be functional. Anyway, back to the video.
What are the other mods we've just done? Obviously, we didn't film them, but we fitted the USB ports.
Yeah, we've done the USB.
Again, all about functionality. I want to be able to charge my phone. Next up on the truck is sound deadening, but you've also got the T4 race van, which if you haven't seen already, go back a couple of videos and you'll see us, well, just giving a little tour of what the race van looks. It's right there.
We're going to try and get it in paint first and get windows and that, everything in it. We've just been studying on the other T4s really. Off camera, I've done another engine swap.
Yeah.
In the long wheelbase. It's gone back to it's gone back to 5-cylinder, but 2.5. It's got a 102 brake horsepower engine in it, and I believe I've tested it, and it's running 16 psi boost. So I believe that's been mapped.
Is that pretty good? Is it?
Yeah,
16.
Yeah. It goes like rocket really for the size of it.
So yeah, in the future episode with the T4 race van, I guess the first video on that will be putting it into paint. Is that fair to say?
Yeah, or cleaning it up.
Yeah?
Yeah, clean it up, get it.
And then the next video featuring the Rabbit truck will be sound deadening. That is coming very, very soon. Other than that, we are getting ready for our Caddy Campers event, which is coming up at the end of this month. You're putting a diesel heater in where, this one here?
Yeah, long
one behind
wheelbase, the camper van. So for Caddy Campers, if it does get chilly, we can.
You've got
I can stay warm.
Yeah, I'll be in a tent freezing my tits off. I'll have to cut that. But
we're not on the cod pass.
Cod pass. There it is. There it is. There's quite a lot of videos coming up in the next few weeks. Like I said, just so many little things, stuff to do with the T4, stuff to do with the truck. We've got Caddy Campers 2023. We're going to Snowdonia. A whole bunch of other people coming with trucks, Mark 1s, Mark 2s, T4s. It's going to be great, and there'll be loads of videos for you guys as well.
And the dates after that?
The 21st to the 23rd of April. We'll leave information in the description below. If you fancy coming to Wales and meeting us, a big group of us, and being part of something, then check out the description. We've also got Craig coming today, right, with the Mark II Golf. Well, there you go, guys. That is the quote-unquote Chevy pickup truck wing mirrors. As always, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I guess we'll see them in the next video, won't we?
We will do. We will do.
See you in a bit, guys.